20 reasons why the rich are growing richer and the poor are growing poorer. 1. Rich people work hard and invest the money they make to make more money, then spend what their investment made on their liabilities. After buying those liabilities, the assets which was bought earlier will still be generating money for them, so they hardly run out of funds. But poor people work hard to make money and spend it on liabilities, with little or no investment at all, sooner than later. When those liabilities start gulping money from them, and because they do not have a consistent supply of funds, they go back to square one. They are broke again. 2. The rich seek for knowledge. The rich keep going from one knowledge to another, from one seminar to another. The poor reject knowledge and settle down with the little knowledge they have and think they know it all. 3. The rich are not afraid to take risks when it comes to investment. The poor are always afraid to lose money to investment. 4. The rich do not save their money in the banks. They invest their money in businesses. The poor save their money in banks, locally made boxes called Colo and Ajo. 5. The rich have wealthy mentors. The rich spend a lot of money on courses and mentorship programs. The poor have no rich mentors. They see buying courses and mentorship programs as a waste of money. 6. The rich spend money to save time. To the rich, time is more important to them than money. The poor waste time to save money. To the poor, money is more important to them than time. 7. The rich are risk takers. The rich are afraid of becoming poor. The poor do not want to take risks. The poor are afraid of losing money. 8. The rich have a business or investments. They have a business that employs other people. They do not earn salaries. The poor have a job or own a job, either employees or self-employed. Most of them earn salaries. 9. The rich are not selfish. They consider what will benefit other people in their plans. When they are talking, they say we, us, our, etc. They think of the betterment of other people, other than themselves or their family alone. The poor are selfish. Everything centers around only him or her. They are not thinking of the betterment of other people. When they are talking, you will hear things like me, I, my, etc. Self-centered. 10. The rich structure their business to earn passive income, so they can earn even while asleep or on vacation. Stopping work temporarily does not stop their income. The major work they engage in is maintaining their assets and buying more assets. They have numerous assets. The poor do not care about the structure of their business. They settle with active income. The day they stop working, they stop earning. The major work they do is active. They have few assets. 11. The rich understand the Pareto principle, whereby they do not need to engage in all their life activities. The only focus is on the high-income generating activities that bring the major results, and employ a less skillful person to handle low-income generating activities. Eventually, they start making more. The poor are the ones doing everything in a bid to save money. They do not want to employ a cleaner or a house help. They see it as a waste of money to employ all those minor staff. This will eventually make their high-income generating activities suffer, and they will start making less, but they don't know why they are making less. 12. The rich generate massive leads for their business. The poor settle for small leads. 13. The majority of people who watch educational videos on YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok are rich. They don't allow themselves to be distracted by entertainment videos. Entertainment videos are nothing but distractions. This accounts for why educational videos do not thrive online as compared to entertainment videos, because only 5%, the rich, of the population are watching them. The poor are the majority of people who watch entertainment videos on YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. They see educational videos as boring and uninteresting. They allow themselves to be distracted by entertainment videos. This accounts for why skit makers are very rich nowadays, because 95% of people who belong to the poor are the ones wasting their time with their videos. The poor can keep watching entertainment videos for hours, wasting their precious time. 14. The rich read books. The poor don't read books. 15. The rich devise a way to convert their liabilities to assets. The poor have no idea how to convert their liabilities to assets, and they don't care. 16. The rich take massive and repeated action on what they have seen that is working. The poor are lazy, and so take little or no action on what is working. 17. The rich are humble to learn from every available opportunity. The poor are arrogant. They claim to know it all. 18. The rich take responsibility for their life and take actions to change their life. The poor blame other people except themselves for their predicament. They blame the government, their family, their church or religion, the economy, etc. 19. The rich are value givers. They think of what values they can give to their community. The poor believe in taking. Give me this and that. They think they have nothing to give out. Instead, they are to collect. 20. The rich are problem solvers. This is one of the reasons why they are rich. Money flows in the direction of problems. When they see problems, they think of ways to solve them, and as they discover the solution, people buy the solutions, and they will grow richer. The poor are complainers, and end up buying the solutions created by the rich.